In this video, we are going to learn about how to set up MailChimp add-on in UserMetaPro. At first, turn on the add-on. Then, click Option button. First, we have to enter an API key which is generated by MailChimp account. If you don't have any MailChimp account, you need to sign up. Other way is, click Get your API key here. It will redirect you to the MailChimp website. After sign up to your MailChimp account, create your API key. Copy the key and then paste it in the MailChimp add-on field. After that, reload the browser. If your API is correct, the status will be shown as connected. Down there, you will see your created list name and list ID. Thus, your API setup is completely done. Next, turn to Settings option. There, you need to configure your MailChimp settings to UserMetaForms. At first, if you click the subscription option on registration, it will automatically subscribe the user on every registration. Also, user profile data will synchronize to MailChimp on profile update if you click the second option. You can subscribe user without asking permission via email if you click the option. Otherwise, the user will be pending and need to permit the subscription via received email. Next, you need to select a field from the registration form to get permission to be a subscribed user. Note that, the field should be a consent or single checkbox field. And, an empty value means no permission field is needed. Now let's configure subscription list selection method. If you choose list IDs, you need to put your audience ID in the subscription list IDs field. Besides, if you have multiple audience IDs, use commas to separate them. Now, let's try this option in registration form. Here, you will see a new user registration which will be synchronized both in MailChimp account and your WordPress website. If you pick Form field with list ID values, you need to choose a field that should be selected or multiple select option. Field option values need to be the list IDs. But it is preferable to use list IDs for the subscription method. Now, let's try this option in registration form. Next option is tag selection method. If you select no tag option, no tag will be included. For form field with list tag values, you should choose a select or multiple select field. However, field options values need to be the tags you want to show to your MailChimp account. With a new user registration, the tag will be included in the MailChimp tag column. Tag values lets you include customized tag values. For multiple tags, use commas to separate them. One of the most important settings is merge user data with MailChimp audience fields. This option synchronize form fields with audience fields. The audience should be set up in a specific way to get user data from your website. Merge field pair values should be separated by a comma. The MailChimp field tag and the WordPress user field's meta key should be placed between colon. Like this. You can customize invisibility of MailChimp audience fields tags from the MailChimp settings. Besides, click the Add a Field button to add more fields. Next option is Action on User. Delete the No Action option gives no change to your MailChimp contacts on any user profile deletions. Then, Remove User from MailChimp lists automatically delete users from MailChimp contacts. And Make User Unsubscribed lets your contacts unsubscribe from MailChimp on any deleted profile. Make sure to click Save button after any changes. This way, you can configure settings of MailChimp add-on. Thank you for watching.